Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to type plus and minus symbol in Excel. First of all, I type on keyboard plus, hold shift and type equal to, then enter plus, and simply type minus. Okay. Sorry. Then enter, and search this. Again go to insert tab, symbol, and you can select normal symbol or normal text and find this plus and minus, then plus insert, minus insert, and this minus other. You can see this minus, then select minus symbol. Okay, then close it, enter. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.